Good Tuesday evening, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather here on Tuesday, January the 28th. We got a lot to talk about in today's outlook, so let's go ahead and get started first with the area-wide 6-day forecast. As you can see, rain chances will begin tomorrow with highs ranging from the upper 50s. A few lower 60s will be possible. Overnight lows are only going to be down into the lower 50s across the area. We don't cool down a whole lot with that rain and cloud cover. Then on Thursday, a few isolated thunderstorms will be possible. Some heavy rain will be likely. Highs will range from the mid 60s there into the lower or into the upper 40s and lower 50s there. 100% chance of rain decreasing to 40% after 7 p.m. On Friday, throughout the rest of this time frame, really by Friday, it starts to dry out again with mostly sunny skies lasting all the way from Friday through Monday. And your eyes are not deceiving you. Highs are going to increase into the lower 60s across the area Friday and Saturday, maybe even reaching the 70s for highs Sunday and Monday, and overnight lows will range from the mid 30s into the lower 40s there as well. So let's talk about, we got heavy rain on the way, maybe some strong storms. So let's first talk about the severe weather outlook for this upcoming time frame. So taking a look, this is the severe weather outlook here as of this evening. This goes for Thursday, January 30th. As you see, there's a slight risk that's basically right up to the Arkansas border, mainly for Louisiana and Texas, where conditions just look a little more favorable for severe weather. But we still have a marginal risk, this dark green colored area, over southwest Arkansas. Once again, this is a 1 out of 5 on the severe weather scale. As you can see here, that goes in effect for Dallas, Austin, down here towards just north of the San Antonio area. But it also goes in effect for the Houston area, or the slight risk goes in effect for the Houston area, Lafayette, Louisiana, Monroe, Lake Charles, a few other areas there in Louisiana there as well for your chances of severe weather on Friday. So let's talk about the overall pattern. What you're seeing above is the GFS 500 millibar level hot winds. This is pretty much mid upper atmosphere, and what you see here is you see a low pressure system over the California and Arizona area, and this is as of earlier today. This low pressure system, as we move forward, will continue to move off towards the east, and as we go into Thursday, you start to see there's going to be a decent amount of southerly flow about in the mid to upper atmosphere there across southwest Arkansas as that low pressure system goes north of us and across Texas, the Texas area as well. If we look at the lower part of the atmosphere, you'll notice that there'll be an increase in that low-level wind as well with that system moving through and with that low-pressure system there as well. So if we take a look at what dew points are going to be like during this time frame as well, you'll notice with that low-level low there, that'll allow for some southerly flow to bring us some more dew points there across the area, ranging into the 60s potentially for some dew point values, or moisture values will increase as that system comes through, and then it tries to dry back out. But it'll keep some humidity there as we go throughout Thursday. What this is going to lead to, if we go over here to the North American model, is currently this is the 0Z. I don't think it'll go all the way to the end of this period, but we'll have to see closely. But as we move forward, you'll notice some showers will increase tomorrow, really picking up on the day on Thursday. This only goes to 18Z currently, or about 12 p.m. on Thursday, so we'll have to look elsewhere. So if we take a look at the HRRR, this shows you that there could be some showers, some storms, then really picks up there as we go into the Thursday time frame. Right now, this comes from the Weather Prediction Center, and I think this puts out a good information on what we could see rainfall-wise. Looking like 2 to maybe even 3 inches of rain will be possible, ranging from about 1 to 2 inches of rain, or 2 to 3 inches of rain across the coverage area, with the highest corridor looking to be just potentially, it's been lining up for about the Mena area, just south of the Fayetteville and Hot Springs area, just north of Little Rock, just a corridor of some heavy rainfall there. Now, once again, that corridor could adjust some, but just expect 3 to 1 inches of rainfall will be a good possibility as we go forward, really throughout the next 120 hours or through through Thursday. After that, we get drier again, and dry conditions come in behind that. Taking a look at what instability label or instability potential looks like right now. This is mixed layer CAPE. Once again, your CAPE is your instability or your energy needed for storms. And you see there'll be some, but it looks like their higher amounts will probably be across more so across southern portions of the area. And surface-based CAPE does show that there could be some instability there. For us here in southwest Arkansas, I do think our greatest severe weather threat at this current time of anything, it's a small risk. It's not a really high risk by any means. I really think, though, it looks like it's going to be mainly maybe some gusty winds, stuff of that nature at this time. Once again, not expecting anything major other than maybe some heavy rainfall. Could still see some isolated power outages due to just some gusty winds, stuff of that nature as well. But dry conditions return after that. Enjoy this upcoming weekend and beginning of next week. It's going to be a nice week, but some rain chances will be likely there on Wednesday, Thursday time frame. We're going to continue to monitor this. We'll continue to have more updates out. Just a quick little video vlog here to go over that. Tomorrow we'll go more in depth on all of that fun stuff there as well. As always, I want to say big thanks to all of our sponsors. Make sure to check them out all over on Facebook. And as always, have a good rest of your Tuesday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.